Hello again, Internet people. Today's a bit of a celebration for me because the channel just hit 100 subscribers. And I thought, what can I do for that? Well, at 100,000 subs, you get Silver Award. And at 1,000,000, you get a Gold Award. And at 10 million, you get Diamond. 100 million, you get Red Diamond. But what if we went the other way? Instead of getting higher quality materials for more subs, we get lower quality materials for fewer subs. And that's what I'm going to do. So for 100 subs, I figure plastic is about right. So I'm going to make a 3D printed one. So let me start a new part. And I'm going to start a sketch on the Z-plane. And I'm going to add a sketch picture. This normally isn't there by default. You have to add it using Customize, or you can just search for it here. It's called Sketch Picture. And I downloaded this already. This is an example award. Import it in high res. And the larger dimension I want to be 178. That way it will print on a Prusa Mini, which is a very accessible printer. And so what I'm doing now is taking the dimensions, dividing them by 2, and then negative, making them negative, so that way it's centered. Alright, I'm going to copy this and put a rectangle down, and it's 178 tall, and it's that wide. Alright, and I'm going to make that 0.5 inches going the other way. And we'll show that sketch again. And actually, I don't want that. I'm going to edit this sketch again and copy that. Select this chain, delete it, delete, yes, delete, yes. Get rid of that 0.2 even. All I want in that sketch is that picture. I'll start a new sketch for the rectangle. And make that 0.5 inches. Going the other way. There. That way I don't have a whole bunch of extra stuff cluttering this up. I'm going to do a sketch here. I'm also going to do normal to it. And let's see. I'm going to do a couple of rectangles. And I'm going to do some points. I don't know if I'll need all those, but I might. I'm just going to fix this one. And go like that. Fix this one. And go over here. Fix that one. And go up to there. Fix this one. Down to there. And we'll fix this one. And go right about there. Fix that one. Alright. Now we've got a base to work upon anyway. So I'm going to go from the midpoint. Just drop a point here. And then midpoint. And I'm going to do it again on this one. Just drop a point there. Midpoint. And I'll go tangent, tangent, do another tangent, do another tangent, and then what I can do is I can take this handle here and drag it till it kind of sort of looks right. Having a hard time getting it just so. That's pretty close. Yeah, I'll take that. And then this is real squirrely, but that is close enough. Alright, this point I don't need. And I'm going to draw two lines here. This is going to be horizontal. These are going to be perpendicular, equal for construction. And I'll put a dimension on this one of 10. Alright, so take this, take this, take this, and I mirror. And I make it angry by mirroring. Okay, fair enough. See, I don't need this either. I'm going to select this chain, they're both for construction. These I'm going to make not for construction, exit this sketch. I'm going to do another sketch on Z and just say convert. And that way I can hide this sketch. I'll hide this sketch too. And we want to make these for construction. And I'll mirror. It really doesn't like to mirror those. What about this other way? Nope, it just is not happy about that in the least. Alright, what can I do about that? Can I mirror this one? Apparently I can mirror those. But not, it only lets me get away with it so far. Wouldn't want to get crazy now. Nope. Okay, well I guess there's no point having that one there. Alright, so sometimes SOLIDWORKS does things that make it hard to love SOLIDWORKS. This is one of those times. Let's see, I'm going to take a plane, go perpendicular and coincident, and I will sketch on that plane. Ooh, boy, SOLIDWORKS is angry today. I'm going to do a Control Q. And yeah, that's a fun thing. All right, I'm going to sketch on this plane. I will not be detoured. I want to go like that. I want to go like that. Oh wow. Huh. Okay. Solid body hide, solid body show. No difference apparently. Alright, something is going terribly wrong. So, what happens when we do something terribly wrong? We, let's see. Go in here. Stick. Alright, when something goes horribly wrong, we save, we close, we reopen. And we hope for the best, cross fingers, toes, anything else you can figure out how to cross. So if you got pencils around, cross those. And it very slowly starts. Very slowly. Suppose I could remove cam from that. I don't really use that very often. And we will open that and see if it's all screwy again. Yay! It's good. We're good. Yay! All right. Oh, actually, there's already a plane there, so I can just sketch on that. So let's see. Need a line down from there and there. Do a coincidence. Ah. I'm not drawing on that plane, actually. I need a new plane. I'm drawing on this plane. Alright. Draw a line down, draw a line down, and like that. I want both of these to be vertical. I want this to be a 45. Alright. Then I want a spline from there. Oh no, I want a spline from there to there. And make the tangent with this line here, if I can. Convert that line. Make them tangent. It's really not gonna like that. Okay. I will do a point in between. You got it. Let's go tangent. And let's see. We want an angle at the side. But that's actually going to be going all the way down to straight down. So we delete that, and we do another spline. This one's going to be tangent with that. This one's going to be tangent with that. And we want to make this, let's see, draw a line from here to here, make these perpendicular, go from here to here. This is a 45. And then these to that. Let's see if they'll let me get tangent there. Alright. Then I want to be significantly less down. The lowest point I think is going to be like, ooh, let's see, 1/4 inch. Well, that didn't work out right though. Let me delete this. $8 millimeters. Alright. Drag this to be right about there. It's going to be tangent. And this tangent both times, both ways. But if I can go down a little bit, maybe lower that down a little bit. There we go. Got that down to say 5. Just keep massaging it until it's just right. Might just start a new spline. That's been through a lot. don't suppose it'll let me do this. Oh, it will. Yay. Like that. Alright. And then, let's see. We'll go perpendicular and equal and for construction. And we'll mirror that. Alright. Then, see, we need another new plane. We go there and there. Oh, we want to keep that. We want to hide that. And we will sketch on this plane. And let's see, we're going to go down, go down. These are vertical. Okay. The inner one should be equal to that. The outer one should be equal to that. Alright. And let's see. We go here to there to there. Actually, I'm going to delete that, convert that, try again. Tangent. Okay, that's way better. So I'll do a for construction, convert that, for construction. So I will make this also for construction. And then I can mirror those. Okay. And then let's hide this sketch. And let's redo this one. Just go there to there to there. Convert these. Make them for construction. Make that tangent. And then Control Z on that. I want the handle over here. There we go. And then take that and that. We'll mirror. Alright, so then we don't need this anymore. Alright. So we're starting to get a basic plane set up. Let's see. So if we go parallel and coincident there, I'm going to copy this and we will copy these, make them for construction. See if it'll let me mirror this now. Okay, let me do that one. It did not let me do that. Let me try one more, see if it gets happier. Nope. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Okay. I'll get out of this sketch, do a new sketch on this plane, convert everything that's there, convert that as well. See if it'll mirror. Nope. Construction. Mirror. No. Alright, it really does not want to mirror. Alright, that's not ideal, but I can work with it. So I'm going to go from there to there. And then I can do a planar surface. And that'll be the bottom of it. If I just hide this. Alright, and then let's see, this plane, we want to mirror this. Okay, that works. I'm going to knit that together too. All right, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, then let's see, we need to go another plane. Let's hide this. Plane goes here, parallel to there. And we wanted to take that. And see, it's not going to be happy if I try to mirror that around, I know. So, perpendicular, parallel, planar surface, and let's see, this one, nope, this one, mirror, okay, and then this one, also mirror, and surfaces, we want to knit these together. So they're one surface now. All right. And let's see. 3D sketch. Select open loop, convert. Select open loop, convert. Okay. Beautiful. Now we've got all those. So I can hide this at this point, finally. Need to keep these still. Alright, 3D sketch. I'm going to convert these. And I'm going to convert these. And then I am going to trim there and there. Surfaces, filled surface, and then let's see, we want this one, and we want to mirror, and then we want this one, we want to mirror that too. Surfaces, knit surfaces, there, 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 and there. We'll merge entities. If I don't know if it will let me, but we'll try. Alright, then this surface here, I've kind of got a basic shape of it. I'll see if SolidWorks can figure it out for me. So I want that, that, and that. And then I want to trim off that. I want to trim off that. And we've got a filled surface. Then we want to mirror that. And then got that surface, or that plane. We want to mirror that. Alright. Let's knit those together. Alright. I'm going to hide that newest one, and then I don't need these two anymore. This plane can go away. This sketch can be hidden. This sketch can be hidden. This sketch can be hidden. Beautiful. I'm just going to throw everything in so far into a folder. And I'll show that. And I will save that. Okay. Just looking around, making sure everything looks right, and it does not. So sometimes what you think will work doesn't work. right. Let's see, what can we do? This and this we want back, and we want to delete these. Alright, what can we do? Let's see, do a 3D sketch, select this open loop, convert, want a filled surface, but I want constraint curves on it. That's more like it. Okay, we can knit that together. And now we can hide these sketches. And it looks pretty much right. Let's go back to the first sketch, make that visible again. And we'll normal to our Z. We'll put a sketch on our Z. And then we've got a triangle. Make this vertical. Make these three equals. Put a point on there, just trying to drag it till it's about centered. And do a point on there, that's about right. Do a point on here. Fix that. Okay. So how tall is it? 23. We'll call it 23. Alright, draw a triangle. It's going to be 23 tall. Vertical. Those are, make all three of these equal. Hide this sketch because I don't need it anymore. Then hide this. Let's select open loop, convert, and then I can go from there to there. And if I go from there to there, put a midpoint and a midpoint, and make those for construction. And then, let's see, I am going to cut down, say, 1.2. Nope. For construction. Extrude to cut 1.2. Let's see how that works. 1.6. Oh, this is just a surface at this point. Well, that will that'll be a thing. Let me go 3D sketch. Select open loop, convert, build surface. Knit and create a solid. Alright, then show this again, sketch on that, hide this again, copy this sketch, hide that sketch, 1.2, let's see how that looks. Not quite. Oh, I'll go the other way as well. Okay, we've got a sort of a play button there. Alright, let's go on the back of this thing. Go there, go there. For construction. And equal. 10. Make it 10. There we go. So we've got a play button. And we got the play button basically. And let's see. If I delete this face, and then I want to, let me hide this, do a sketch on here, show this again, and let's see, that's the center. We want to select this open loop, convert, do a extruded surface. 10 works good. And actually, you know what? I'm going to cap the end. Then I can knit surface, create a solid. Alright, now I've got kind of got a stamp that I can use. Alright. Show all my bodies. Alright. So I'm going to draw another rectangle here. Let's see. It's going to be collinear and equal. That means that I need to remove that horizontal. And that's going to be equal. And that's going to be coincident. And we're not going to merge that. Right, remove copy bodies, that and that. Let's see, we'll go there to there. We're going to go there to there. And that's it. But that isn't all. So we're going to go up to surface. Change that to up to surface. That way when we do this move copy body, we can have another mate just to lock it down fully. Alright. So let me move copy bodies on this. Let me just make a copy of it. And do a combine subtract. Failed due to geometric condition. Alright. What if I move this in just a little bit? .4, say. Negative 0.4. Okay. And hide that, hide that, hide that. Subtract. Alright. I've got a play button there. Let me normal to this. Do a sketch on this. And let's see. We want that. Alright. So we've got a little tiny YouTube thing here. So let's do that next. Alright. And go about there. Fix that. Go to about there and fix that. And let's drag this down. Drag it back up to there. From there to there. For construction. Equal 5, 5, merge result. Actually, for construction on undo the for construction of that. I'm going to make this 5 thick. All right. So that is 14.8364. Okay. And let's hide this. Hide this. Show this. Show this. I suppose we can delete that now. We don't need that anymore. Alright. So if we go here, from there to there, and this is divided by 76.96398. Control C. Alright. I want to scale these by the origin and there. Alright. Let's move this. We'll copy bodies like that, and we want this to be going to there, and this to be going to there, and then let's see, this will go to here, and okay. Let's see if that does a good cut or not. So we'll do a combine, subtract. Alright, that was no good. Let's move that down by, I don't know, millimeter, half a millimeter. Z point, let's say -1, -0.5. Let's try that. See how that looks. All right, got that. I can hide this sketch here. All right, good deal. So I've got my 2 YouTube buttons on the play button. I'm going to click save. And actually I'm going to delete this folder because it's got my first sketch in it, and I don't want that in a folder. Alright. Now, all that's done, so I need to start working on the text. So I'm going to start with the rectangle that's at the very bottom of this text. Fix that. And I'll bring it to the very top of the text. And the very side there. See how big this is. 9.15. Alright, 9.15. And I downloaded a font just for this. It's called Roboto. So YouTube, YouTube, and let's see. We want to reduce the width considerably. And reduce the spacing just a little. Okay, that works for me. It's close enough anyway. So that text is set, and I need this presented too. I'll fix that, and I'll kind of go down like so. How tall is this? This is 2.75. Roboto. And let's see. Looks like I need to move this over just a little bit. And 95 maybe. Okay. It looks about right. Now I want to center it though. Center it on the plaque, so it might be a little bit out of center from where it is there. Do a perpendicular, and I'll drag this out, and do a centered. Yeah, it's not quite centered in the original. But that's okay. It'll be centered on mine. And let's draw another rectangle. And put a point there, fix it. And drag this to there about. See how tall that is. Call it 4. And 4. All right. Just copied the text, and let's see. It's already narrow enough, the text. It just needs to be overall width is about right. And now I want to center it and change that to 100 subscribers. Alright, do a parallel with those, and I'll just do a coincident out to there. And I'll do a equal, why not? Alright, then I need one more line. And point, fix, and set the height, 4.25. Drag this way over here. .25 Roboto and MISOS study, and it's going to be on this line. Okay, drag that over a little bit and a little bit more. Okay, so that's pretty much perfect. Just need another one of these parallel, and do a coincident. Let's set it. And then let me get the text. Let me edit my text. Wow, I cannot type today. And we'll center. And OK. I'm going to select everything and say it's all for construction. The one thing that is not selected when I do that is the text. So extruded cut 0.8. And let's hide the sketch. Do I need this? I do not need that. Do not need this. All right. So beautiful. Now I do have, it's basically set, but I would like to do a little bit of a modification to the design. So I'm going to do a 1 millimeter fillet on all the corners, or all the sides. And there we go. We're set. Okay. Now that is something worth printing out, which is what I'm going to do. Well, almost done. As I was about to slice it, I realized there's no way to hang this on a wall, which is not ideal. So let's make a hole, I don't know, 15 millimeters, and make this line vertical and for construction. And let's see, we want a slot goes up like that, maybe is 3 millimeters across, and vertical, and we don't need it to be quite so extreme. Think of the size of a typical nail head. I think 12 will be more than enough. And let's see. How should we do this? From there to there, and there, and that should be good. Do a for construction there. Drag this up. I'm going to put a point there, and say 15 millimeters maybe. Yeah, that works. Alright, so I'm going to do an extruded cut, this and this, and I'm going to go, I'll try a 6 deep, and then draw on here, and draw to there, and this is going to be equal, and extruded cut of 3 going towards me. There we go. And the 3D printer should be able to bridge that pretty easily. Although, you know what? If this is 6 minus 2.4. Okay. Now it's set. So, normal 2. I'll do a save. I'll do a save as. and change it to STL. Save that to my desktop. And there we go. Now it's ready to print. If you made it this far, I want to thank you for watching the whole video. Please do all the standard YouTube stuff, and we'll see you next time.